These are all the ingredients you need to make a most magnificent steak stroganoff, but we've given the recipe a bit of a twist to avoid dryness and to get flavour. Add a little touch of oil to the pan, tilt the pan. When the oil is nice and warm, add the steak. We're using a really good quality piece of rump steak, and you can see we've slashed through the fat to stop the meat from curling up. Cook it lightly just to brown the meat on the one side, turn it over. We're not cooking the meat to completion. Now leave it to rest, cover it, and the same pan we're adding a delicious piece of butter. Stir it around to melt it and add the mushrooms. We're using portobellini mushrooms here. They've got a little more flavor than the regular buttons. Stir them around until they're just beginning to take on color. They mustn't draw water. Then, out of the char-grilled shallot, we add 3 tablespoons of the marinade. That little bit of acidity is great. And some undiluted beef stock and some cream. Just binds all together the flavors. You can see it's beginning to look like something we all would love to have for supper. Now take the meat and slice it against the grain. You'll see the meat looks quite underdone, and that's fine because we are going to give it a final cook, but you'll be assured the meat is not dry. Generously season it with our garlic pepper. Take out some of the char-grilled shallots and we cut those up, and then the whole lot will be added together with the juice from the meat to the mushrooms. There we go. Oh, that looks delicious, doesn't it? And it doesn't take long. Something you should teach the man in the house to do. Stir it together now, just so that we mix all the flavors and also the moisture from the cream will go into the meat and the mushrooms. Do this over a medium heat, and this is going to cook for roughly about 5 minutes. Wow, delicious.